right, first step, you gotta take off the cover right here. So you'll have 13 clips to pull out. If you have the OEM clips, you push them down and it'll release and you can pull them right out. If not, you'll need to use your pry tool. So the next step, we have a couple clips to get behind the grill and then a couple bolts as well. We will be removing the clips and bolts holding this on up top. So you will have 6 clips, 2 up top right here, 4 on the bottom. You will have 2 10mm bolts to remove as well. And at this point, since you are up top, don't forget if you have the Raptor lights to unplug those. The top is all taken care of. Next, we're gonna move on to removing the bottom bolts so that we can get this bumper off. So I don't have the entire bumper on right here. I did cut it off, but there will be some clips on here if you have it full, and then a 10mm screw. However, then we do have some 10mm screws at the bottom of this right here. All right, once you have all those removed, we'll start over here. So you put some pressure and try to pop this bad boy off. Okay. Right, and then we'll repeat the process on the other side. So you want to push in, get it over the screw, and then you're going to pop it off. All right. That's the bumper coming off now. At this point, don't take it off all the way. You do need to disconnect your fog lights so that you can pull them out. You will have clips that you need to release. Next step, you are going to insert your new fang lights. So for get each of these clips to click. Right, now that that's all clicked on, before we reinstall the bumper, we're going to test the lights, get all the wiring taken care of. And then you will do the same thing on the other side, remove your turn signal bulb, and then we'll connect the wire to you. You just turn it, pull it out, and then pull it down. And once you have those connected, you will replace your turn signal bulb back into its spot. Next, we're going to connect it to the power source. The black wire is your ground. Obviously, take that to the ground right here on this side. The red wire is for your power, and the white wire is for daytime running lights. You can run that if you want, but it makes everything a little bit dimmer when you do. Right, and then for the red wire, this is where you're going to need your add a fuse. Okay, and you're going to look for the INJ fuse on your map right here. And that's where you're going to be connecting. You will need two 10-volt fuses for this. Pull your 10-volt out. You'll need both your 10-volt fuses in here and connect the red wire to this. your INJ fuse. All right, just to recap with all the wires. So you're going to take your yellow wire from your fang light and connect that to your yellow wire on your driver's side turn signal bulb. And then on the passenger side, you will take your yellow wire and connect it to the blue turn signal wire. Then you will replace your light bulbs and connect your red wire to your fuse box and your black wire to your ground. Now let's test the lights. All right, so the next part, since we tested them, we're going to get the wires. We're going to get them around this so that they are tight, not in the way of anything. To get this tied how you like it. And your next step will be to reinstall the bumper.